Hello guys, and this is my first Q&A, and I had to copy and paste this because the because my tablet wouldn't let me uh, show video screenshots of question messages from YouTube. So I just had to use Zoom and copy and paste it here, and yeah, that's how I did it. So here we go. From Joe's Galaxy Official, how did you get how did how did you get the name the normal guy? Well, I I planned I planned my channel to be a bit ironic because because I wanted to do really like funny stuff that is not very normal and it's called the normal guy, so I wanted to be like funny. NLT Kevin's NLT Kevin says, "Do you have FL Studio?" I used to have FL Studio for a very short amount of time. I didn't really use it that much or at all before my computer crashed and it reloaded. Yeah. Okay. Todd's World asks, do you want to do a collaboration with me in my videos, and do you want to voice my character Todd from Todd's World Gang? Um, yeah, I think I can. I think I want to do a collaboration, but I can also voice Todd, but 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 uh, but I think you can. But I think I can do it if I have any free time. Okay, Rosie the Thomas and Friends fan says, what's your number one favorite? What's your what's your number one favorite show? I would say Mr. Beast or Haminations or DJ Tunes or Bro the Animates or Jack and Jellyfy, Inanimate Insanity, but I think it might be either Battle for Dream Island or Inanimate Insanity. As for how did you find my channel, I think I can do a video about how and on how I met uh, all of you guys. Okay, Racer Fan 01 says, which popular YouTuber would you like to meet in real life? Okay, I have a lot. Jack and Jellyfy, Animation Epic, Bro the Animates, Infamous Swoosh, uh, Animations, TJ Toons, Jaden Animates, The Alphonse, Tono Greg, um, uh, Ed's World, Tomska, Let Me Explain Studios, The Amazing, Glitch. I have more, but I always can't remember. Tong Yuen asks, you know that my show, Totong Stari Kakavas Dasi, used to be called The Tong Yuen Show. That that was the old name until Kevin made up the new name after reading my post where I did my research about making portmanteaus, blend words. Honestly, I didn't really know that, but this, but it's really interesting. Keep it up, guys. And so that's it. But I also want to explain how I made my characters. So while I explain, I will also draw. How I made up my character is I'm not really good at drawing, so drawing people. So I just like to do stickmans, and and I just kind of like it. It's really goofy and stuff. As for the hair, it was inspired. It was inspired by Dave's Fun Algebra Class, Dave and Bambi, and Garrett's Funny Animal Game, which is now discontinued. I thought it would be funny if the hair was just a literal text that just says hair. And this is my character. It's really simple, but I like customizing it with a singular eye or red eyes or adding real life images to it. And this is my Q&A. Hopefully you guys like it. Bye.